Everyone has a dream. Sino ang may pangarap? Pataas ang kamay. So lahat tayo may pangarap. Tama? But ang question is, what is your dream? What are your dreams? Do you know? Do you really know your dreams? Sino nakakaalam ng dreams nila? Specifically, hindi pala majority, all of us can tell that we have a dream or we have dreams. But majority of the time, ang dreams na sinasabi natin ay vague, general, hindi siya specific. Ang achievement ng mga dreams natin ay nandun sa pagiging specific. Anong bahay ang gusto mo? O pwede mo sabihin, gusto ko ng bahay. Pero anong klaseng bahay? Gaano kalaking bahay? Ilang kwarto? No? Meron din yang kaukulang presyo. So, do you know how much is your dream? Do you know how much are your dreams? So, kailangan mong malaman ang dreams mo una, but you also need to know the price of your dreams.